Hi guys, LazorDev here. Ever wanted to retrieve a saved Wi-Fi password but you didn't know how? Here's a simple trick to help you out. On your PC, type the press Windows plus RE to bring up that dialog box. Then you just type CMD as I've done, then press enter. When you're in your CMD, type net to learn, show profile name is equals to the name of the Wi-Fi that you want to see its password. As for my subscribe, then key is equals to clear, then just press enter. You can see here is your password. Like and share guys. Thank you for watching.